Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I wash my hair and tie it back without using any styling gel. So if you're interested, relax and watch. Right here I'm just basically detangling my hair quickly with my fingers, and from there I will go in with a brush. This brush that I'm going to use now is a brush that I have had for many years now, and I did try to find a replacement, and in the process I ended up buying brushes, different type of brushes, but none of them really works on my hair, so I'm still stuck with this one. So I'm washing my hair using a Tresemme shampoo. So this shampoo I basically just you know, sometimes depending on what I was doing with my hair, like on that week, I can just wash it twice, and when I do that I will rinse my hair maybe with two different conditioners and a little bit of sometimes a little bit of oil at the end, just to ensure like I put the moisture back in there. It's not a big process, or it's not like a complex process. It's a process that works for my hair, and that way it is simply because I just like having my hair tied to the bag, you know, for my daily goings, because you have to know your lifestyle, how you want your hair to be. It has to do with your lifestyle. My lifestyle is very like laid back, so when I have my hair like this, if I want to pop on a wig and get going, it's easier that way. Some days I do some twist on the hair, but majority of the times my hair is tied to the back, and I always get people asking me like, oh, your hair is 4C, how do you tie it to your back nice and neatly like this? And I decided to make this video for those of you that have always asked me like, how do you know, so you can see I don't really use loads of things on it. You will see now I'm just going in with a conditioner from Pantene, the Gold series, and this conditioner, it did make my hair soft. However, I felt like you know, I didn't see much of what I thought it was going to give me. Very good product, but no, I bought it once and I'm not, you know, buying it again. At least this particular one, I don't think I'll buy it again. And I have my own reasons. I just felt like it didn't do much for my hair. I used it on my daughter's hair, and to my surprise it was holding nicely on her hair. Like I could feel the softness after the washing. Yeah, it really surprised me. Like our textures are different, and my hair is a little drier and has, you know, it's just different. Same 4C, but different textures, to be honest with you. So normally when I washed my hair like this, I would just quickly, because I don't let the conditioners stay long on my hair, I would basically just use two different conditioners. So now I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. So I'll try and put a picture in there, and also I'll leave in the description box the second conditioner, which are both leave-in conditioners. I have to mention that it's going to be from Cantu, and that is my favorite leave-in conditioner. This one, I don't go without using this one. I don't wash my hair if it's not there. There's no way. So it has sort of like a little smell, but look, I think I'm used to it now. At the beginning I struggled with Cantu. You know, they have like a bit of a smell there that really lingers around like a day after you've washed your hair, and I didn't like that. But now I realize that even though they smell a little bit, my hair just like them. And the third one that you just saw now, that was basically a buttercream from the Gold series. It does help with sort of like moisturizing my hair and leaving it a little softer. And right now what you're looking at is me basically already putting my hair the way I want it to be for the week, because I don't mess with it. This is just the process, and you can see for yourself it's as simple as it is. So I try by all means to ensure like I don't tie my hair too much, because otherwise if your hair is too tight, really you are not going to be comfortable. I want to be comfortable with this for the whole week. So I tie it like this, and then the following day I will refresh, remove the band, and refresh the hair again a little bit, and then that's just how it goes. Can you see now? I'm just moisturizing the ends there, just putting in the leave-in conditioner and the buttercream, and then I'm twisting the hair a little bit. It's not long, just a little bit there, and I will tuck in there. And that tucking in there stays like that until like the next day. And from the next day when I'm refreshing, I'll oil the ends and moisturize the ends, and yeah, the same thing. So that is me there with the hair done, no styling gel, and that's how I prefer it. Then I'll go in with the head scarf and then tie it at the back. I will then go ahead and take my shower. Okay, and that is just simple as that. Now this is me later, maybe an hour later. I'm actually heading to school to go and pick the kids, and basically that is just my hair. And that's just how most of the times if you come across me, that's how you'll find me. I still wear wigs every now and then. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.